everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Safeum account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Safeum account, go and open up your Safeum application. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area. Type in your login detail in the first text box, that is your username, and then on the next field, type in your password. If you want to enable auto login, make sure to tap on the little circle at the bottom of the password box. After typing in your details in the text boxes, tap on sign in and you'll be able to log into your Safeum account right away. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.